Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Lynn. Today I'm going to share with you very warming and hearty shrimp ball soup. I'm going to show you how to make a flavorful stock. First of all, I'd like to ask you guys to leave a comment below and let me know what other recipes you'll be interested. And here's up, let's cook. So I have 2 green onions for flavor. For the stocking, we just need to cut the white part off. What does Lynn always say? White part for what? And I have about half a pound of shrimp, a small shrimp, like 50, 60 count. And I saved shells. That's what we're going to use for the stock. So we're going to chop up the shrimp, cut into pieces. After a few minutes, chopping should be done. So it's like paste, and still have some bits there. That's good. Put it into a bowl. Now let's season the shrimp paste with a little bit of salt. Should be good. White pepper powder. If you don't have it, you can use black pepper. And 1 egg white. We'll save the egg yolk on the side. And mix this well. Now we're going to add cornstarch, about 2 teaspoons. Mix well. And this is the consistency we need to achieve. It's not running, pasty. Now we're ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to high heat. Add some oil. Now add a white part of green onions. Followed by the shrimp shells. Stir fry till they are pink. Now the shells are pink. Let's add water. Cold water. It's about 3 cups, just a little bit over 3 cups. And bring this to boil. Now the water is boiling. Let's turn down to low. Let it simmer about 8 minutes. After about 8 minutes, let's take out the shells. Wow, smells very shrimpy already. Now we turn the heat to medium, add some salt. Now we're going to make shrimp balls. Here's the last one. Let them settle. Stir gently. And we're going to cook about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, let's add spinach. Cook about 10 seconds. Now we just drizzle some sesame oil and garnish with some green onions. Here's our soup. Ready to serve this beautiful soup.
Smells so good.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Let's try the shrimp ball. So tender. Ray, how do you like it? Tell everybody, tell our viewers.
Wow. I love it. The shrimp balls are so soft and tender. Really delicious.
Isn't it shrimpy? And it's also very affordable soup. Half pound shrimp only, not even $3. And buy them, buy frozen shrimp when they are on sale. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.